So I just want to take a moment here to explain where we're going to find brittle and where we're going to find ductile behaviors in the lithosphere. So we know the deeper down we go inside the Earth, the hotter it gets. We know this because, right, the asthenosphere, remember, is partially molten, right? So we have heat coming from the inner core, right, making everything hot, right, helping keep it warm. Now, if we want to think about our ductile behavior for a second, remember, ductile behavior is where our rocks are going to bend, but they're not going to break. Now, we should also realize that rocks are not very bendy, right? They break pretty easily. But what do you think is the chances they're going to be of a rock being able to bend if we heat it up? It's like taking a lump of Play-Doh. Let's say we have a lump of Play-Doh at room temperature and a lump of Play-Doh that's been in the freezer. Which one is going to be easier to bend? Hopefully you said the lump that was room temperature. So our ductile behavior is going to occur where our rocks are warmer. So we're going to find this in the lower levels of the lithosphere. So ductile behavior is going to happen down here where our rocks are going to bend. Brittle happens where it's cold. So this is going to happen up near the top. This occurs where we live. So this is why we tend to find faults all up at the surface, because that is brittle behavior. So remember, when we see ductile behavior, that usually means our rocks are hot, they are able to bend. And when we see brittle behavior, this is because they are up at the surface and they are cold.